Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adi Amsyar Muhammad Jafar. My metric number is 13DDT21F2027. For the first page, we have the main page. So at the main page, in Schneider's principle of human computer design, we using the enable frequent user to use shortcut. So for the main page, we using that. So you can see have the short names at the top. To go to the new customer registration page, you have to click the control keycap, control N, and it's gonna brought you to the new customer registration page. For the product information, click control and P. For order and online payment, control O, and for login page, control L. So for the main page, enable frequent to use shortcuts. So we using shortcut at the keyboard to change the page that you want to go. For the next slide, is customers registration. So right here, you have for the new registration, just type your first name and then your last name, and create your own password. Re-enter password, type your email, type your phone number. So and then click the create account. To go back to the previous page, just click the control B. Also use the shortcuts.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Syafiq Adrami bin Muhammad Saufi. Nombor matriks 13DDT21F2051. Seperti yang ditunjukkan di dalam slide, kami telah menggunakan ciri-ciri 8 Golden Rules, iaitu support internal locus of control dan juga shortcut bagi memudahkan pengguna. Di slide ini pula, kami juga telah menggunakan ciri-ciri 8 Golden Rules, iaitu consistency. Ini untuk memudahkan pengguna menggunakan software kami.
Salam sejahtera. My name is Tan Ye Hong. My metric number is 13DDT21F2047. I will continue to present order and online payment. Okay, you can see a button at the top of left. We use the feature of 8 Golden Rules, which is to enable frequent users to use shortcuts. When the user wants to return to the previous page, you can use the shortcut Ctrl B to return to the previous page, which saves a lot of time. From here, you can select what payment method you want to use to pay. They are cash on delivery, online banking, and debit or credit. In the below, we also use 8 Golden Rules, that is, offer error prevention and simple error handling. You can see below the required personal data with red symbols. The symbols are mandatory when the user fills in incorrect information. For example, in the numeric field, when a user fills in incorrect information such as using letters in a numeric field, recovery instructions will be provided to give the user to change the correct information. On the right is the delivery address, and below it will show how many products the user has bought, the price and the postage, and then the total price the user has to pay. If the user changes his mind and doesn't want to buy, he can click on cancel to cancel the order. If the user has made a decision, user can click on pay. After clicking on the payment, a message will pop up again. Here also use 8 Golden Rules, that is designed design dialog to yield closure. This golden rule is a set of information feedback. After that completion of the action, which can let the user repeatedly confirm the payment or cancel the payment. After that, we also apply the feature A golden rules, that is offer information feedback. It shows that your order has been confirmed. This golden rules is to let the user know that his order has been placed. You can also track the order by clicking on the button to know the current location of the user order. After that, you can use the shortcut keys to return to the main page. When you have finished your order, or you can just click on exit if you want to exit the site. And the last one is system login for authorized user. At the top of the page, you will see the name of the shop. Below that, you can fill in your username or email. Fill in your password and clicking login. At the bottom of the login button, there is the forgot password, and there is a forgot password button. Here we also use the golden rules, that is reduce short-term memory load. If the user forget their account password, it will help the group to reset their password and solve the problem of forgotten password. Finally, you can also click remember me to let the system collect the user's data, so that the next time you log in, you don't need to fill in the password to log in. Okay, this is end of our presentation. Thank you.